What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today we're talking trainers, and I tell you what, I might have found my favourite trainers yet. We've got 3 pairs to go through. They're from a brand called Cleens. I've been wanting to try these trainers for such a long time now, so I'm going to do a bit of a review on foot and off foot. Let's get into it. If you do enjoy the video, guys, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already. Let's go. So I recognise this brand about 8-10 months ago now. Quite a few of you guys were messaging me telling me that I need to try the brand Cleens, but a lot of the trainers have been sold out for a while, so I didn't have the chance to buy them in my size, but now we have got them. So this is the box they come in. Really nice, high quality. They kind of have a similar aesthetic to Arn, I'm not going to lie, but these are a little bit more expensive, so I feel like the materials on the trainers are a better quality throughout. But anyway, let's get straight into trying these ones. These are the Essential Runner in black and white, and these are just, honestly, they're just so good. Let me show you them. They're absolute class. So this is what the box looks like, and they come nice branded tissue paper. I have actually wore these, so I just had to wear them. They're that good. So come in cellophane, like protective plastic bags. They're just, honestly, so nice to look at, aren't they? They're a little bit different to like any other trainers I've got, to be honest. There's just something about them. I absolutely love the silhouette, the shape of them. And they've got so many different colourways in this design as well now. Absolutely sick. These retail at £150, so they're not cheap. Do you know what I mean? They're not cheap, but then they're not dead expensive either. It's kind of like that mid-range designer trainer. I absolutely love them. And we've also got them in a different colour as well. Let me show you. This colourway is unreal. It's so nice. So it's like white with a few different tones of grey. It's the shape of them. I absolutely love the silhouette. Obviously quite a chunky trainer, but I don't wear my McQueens anymore. I don't wear Alexander McQueens at all anymore. And these are just something a little bit different, aren't they? Look at the sole. Oh, the only dropped and look at the sole. It's got the branding on the middle sole there. Branding on the tongue. Absolutely delightful. The material does feel better than Arn, I'm not going to lie. Like, I've tried so many different pairs of Arn, and that's like the close comparison I can compare them to. But these ones actually feel superior. They're a little bit more expensive, like 20-30 quid. It's not much, but I feel like the materials they're using are definitely better, especially on the upper. I think the soles are probably similar, but the upper, so nice. Right, the next pair of trainers we got, so annoying, right? I was wearing the runners for the first time the other day, these ones, and it started raining. I was absolutely fuming. So I need to get some like proper trainer cleaner to look after them, because I feel like I need to get maybe some shoe protect on these as well, because I don't want them to mark. I just want to keep them as pristine as possible. So the third pair we picked up is the court trainer in white and grey Napa leather. Look at that. So nice. The material is top notch. I went for a size UK 10 in all of these trainers as well, and I think if you're in between sizes, like an 8.5, they recommend you to size up to a 9. But for me, UK 10s fit me perfectly in all of them. Like, absolutely bang on. Very true to size. They're not too big, not too small, which is what you want. Do you know what I mean? You want to keep them true to size. Branding on the back of the sole there. So these ones retail at £130, so a little bit cheaper than the Racer, but really nice again. Right, let's try them on feet so you can see what they look like actually like with a pair of pants, and how they look like on the foot, because I feel like it's quite important, isn't it, on the foot. But yeah, honestly, I'm very impressed by Cleens, very impressed. I think these two styles are definitely my favourite trainers at the minute. It's not something everyone's wearing as well. Everyone wears Dunks, everyone's wearing Arn at the minute. I feel like it's a bit of a hidden gem. Right, guys, so these are the court trainers, white Napa leather, size UK 10. They just look absolutely class, don't they? They fit me perfectly in a UK 10 as well. Really nice shape. You know when you're looking down on top of them, you want them to look nice. You don't want them to look dead clunky, do you? They just look dead clean. You can obviously pair these with literally every outfit. Super smart. Dress them up, dress them down. But yeah, I'm very, very impressed with these guys. I've literally picked up a pair of Arn court trainers recently as well, and I do prefer the Cleens ones. I actually do. They're not paying me to say that, do you know what I mean? They're honestly comfier, they feel a bit softer. So this is the Essential Runner. I think I was calling him Racer before, so apologies. They call it Essential Runner in the grey and white colourway. It's just something about the shape. I absolutely love them. Oh, they've absolutely smashed it with these guys. Honestly, you guys know I'm into my trainers, I'm into my footwear, I love my sneakers, and these are just next level. They're definitely worth the 150. When you compare them to, say, Axel Arigato, Represent, Alexander McQueen, Arn, they're definitely in that bracket. They're definitely in there, trust me guys. If you're looking for a new pair of trainers, these are the ones. Absolutely mega. They've got loads of other colourways as well. They've got a couple of bright colours which look really nice, but for me, I'm more of a minimal kind of guy. So these got the sulphate grey joggers on. Just look absolutely lovely, stunning. Something about the shape, you know, the toe box. Just love them. I'm not going to want to get these dirty, that's the only problem. I'm not going to want to wear them out when it's bad weather. Keep these for holiday and special occasions, you know. So nice. The last pair, the Essential Runners in black and white colourway. These are the ones that drew my attention to start off with, guys. I absolutely love these. If you see the page on Instagram, it just looks so clean, like the page, the pictures, the trainers. Looks so nice, they're aesthetically pleasing, trust me. And these are the ones. These are going to match with literally every outfit. Something a little bit different. And you know what as well? They give you a bit of height. They give you like an extra 4 centimetres height. So, I don't know, if you want to increase your height, could be a good option to go for. They're very comfy as well. For designer trainers, they're not usually that comfy, are they? But these are very comfy. So guys, there we go, all 3 pairs of trainers tried on foot. A bit of a review on Cleens. I've been wanting to try them for a while now, and they didn't disappoint us. So I absolutely love the trainers. I think I can easily say these are my favourite trainers at the minute. These runners in both colours, just so nice. And then the court trainers as well. Bit smarter, can dress these up a little bit more, but really clean. Anyway guys, if you want to check anything out from Cleens, it'll be linked in the description. I'll link all trainers down below, and they do sell out quick. So if you do want to treat yourself, maybe for like a nice outfit over the festive period, New Year's Eve, it'd be nice to wear these with like a pair of jeans, a smart pair of trousers, even cargo pants, something like that. They'll look absolutely class. But yeah, like I said, they'll all be linked in the description, and go and check out Cleens. They're not paid me or anything to say that. Just absolutely love the brand and what it's about, and love the trainers. That's it for me today, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.